Yo, what's good, guys? My quality is probably gonna be horrible. I'm gonna go over two trades. One that I am currently in. One that I'm currently in, I'm up 300 on it. And then one that I took this morning. So let's go over the one I took on NQ this morning. This one was a very A plus good trade, but I did one thing wrong, and that's it. And it's a good learning experience. I lost this trade. Okay, so what happens is this is the trade. Oh, and we disappear. Nice. Alright, hello. This is the trade. Let's go on that 3-minute time frame and look why I took it. So I wanted to enter the trade here. This is the trade I wanted to take. I want to take a buy from here. Alright. And what else did I see inside of here? I saw, I think it was 1 minute crossed candles. Yeah, right there. I don't know. I wasn't even on the 1 minute. I saw this diminutive gap within price. Yeah, it's this one right here. This is what I saw. And I was like, alright, I want to take a trade off this. So I go on that 1 minute time frame and look to take a buy. I set a limit order here. Alright, I'll just show you guys. I set a limit order at this. No stop loss. I see price wicks up to around here, and I move my stop loss to the bottom. Alright, as y'all can see, the next candle stopped me out, and I was targeting highs. So yeah. In the future, I just think I wait for a candle close below this level. Because that definitely did mess with my mental. This trade did. And it sucks that it did, but it did. So that is the first trade that I took. I know y'all can't see the executions for some reason. I think I'm not logged in for some reason, but yeah, this was the trade. That wick stopped me out. Other than that, it would have take profit, as y'all can see. Just like that. Now, let's go to the trade I'm currently in on gold. So I entered, realistically, this is the price level I entered on. What I had seen was I had seen what's called a true fair value gap. So this is essentially a fair value gap that doesn't have crossed candles or anything else. It is a fair value gap on all time frames, pretty much. You see how it's staying a fair value gap, okay? Nothing's changing. There's not candles that are rallying down. It is staying a fair value gap, okay, until you get around the 5 minute, and there's still a fair value gap there. So I'm on the 4 hour, and I'm analyzing price, and I'm like, all right, there's a fair value gap. I'm right here. Ow, that hurt badly. All right, and I said to myself, all right, let me scroll down on that 1 hour, and I'm like, all right, we get this fair value gap, we get this fair value gap, but what I'm actually looking for more on the 4 hour is crossed candles. So as y'all can see, we get some here. No, I was looking at these. And we also get some here. Okay. I think that's, yep. And I'm like, all right, this is what we see. So I'm like, all right, we have a big fair value gap. Let's zoom in on the 1 hour. Look for more confluences. And I just see what's called a tunnel. All right, this is just a place where price always seems to form imbalances. So you have this imbalance right here from this candle to this candle. All right, what's going on here? Now let's just kind of zoom in, like start to screen down. We see another imbalance right there get formed. We see another imbalance right there get formed. So we're gonna zoom it down more. course, we see this imbalance. Now we're looking for imbalances to the upside. This imbalance. This double tap. So this is literally the range I had condensed it to. So I set a limit. No, I didn't actually set a limit. So I saw price come up into it. But whenever I actually was here to execute the trade, I was late and I came like halfway through this candle, the top of this candle. So I actually had executed right here. Now as for my stop loss, it was above these highs. But right now I moved it in profit. And my take profit is at a little bit before these lows. And right now my stop loss is right there. So I'm just gonna tell the stop loss, and as y'all can see, my concepts worked to the tick. So I'm titling that stop loss. I don't know what this is. This is a 1 hour fair value gap that is currently being formed. This was a 4 hour crossed candles, and as you guys can see, it is respected. Wait, was it 4 hour or 1 hour? Hello? Yeah, 4 hour crossed candles, and as y'all can see, it's respected. Clearly respected. Not one close above it. So, honestly, my concepts are the best concepts. Looks like BS on the 1 hour. Looks like very organized on the 4 hour. What do you know, after the cross candles, price absolutely dumps. I was up like 600 at its peak. Sadly, it's starting to go up a bit, but all it's doing is doing a healthy retracement into a 1 hour fair value gap to incoming 4 hour fair value gap. Alright. But the thing about this fair value gap is it shows a lot of imbalance there. Also gets inversed there. There's also a point of control here that lines up with mitigation. So your boy might re-enter. Don't know. But as y'all can see, it is a clear imbalanced price range within here. Just look at everything. Look at all the moves that come through here. So yeah, might place a limit order there, like maybe even right now. Don't know. And as for my target, and something that's a little bit scary, as y'all can see, we have one of my own confluences going against me. Alright, but this is worse. Got crossed candles mixed with on chart volume imbalance, or charted volume imbalance. And they line up nicely. And then you have a inverse, one of these. Okay. You have an inverse one of these. I actually might close this position. I don't know yet. Because look at this. This is what we're going to have to push through. Y'all know what I mean? But that's what we're going to have to push through if we want to continue lower. But truthfully, I think we have to. We might not, though. But as y'all can see, it's looking like we're going to push down farther. I think we're going to break these lows. Thankfully, my stop's in profit, so worst case scenario, I gained $10. But I truly do have faith within this move. And I'm not going to stress out about it. I'm just going to let it play out. Might re-enter, but I actually don't think I will. Just because I see everything that is going against me as well. That's just my trade recaps. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm just doing one up right now. Futures is low-key hard, and like futures day trading is way harder than Forex, I think. Might be a hot take, might not be. Don't know, don't care. I'm out.